Do the dustbuster. Good job. Good job. Do my legs need it?
Yes.
Are you putting lotion on now? Thank you. Thank you.
Go play. Go play.
Go play.
Go play.
What is that? Lion? What's the lion say?
Wah!
Good job. What's the lion say?
Wah!
Good job.
Baby.
Oh, you can't both look at the screen. One of you's got to be doing something. Look, it's Adley's head really big. No way, you don't get to hold it.
What's it?
No way.
Go away.
No way.
No.
Why don't you vacuum some more?
Bottom.
Yeah, vacuum some more.
Bottom. Bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Papa.
Dustbuster.
Papa. Papa. Window.
Can you vacuum the window?
Bottom. Window. Window.
Good job.
Window. Window. No. No. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
Beep,
That's what the little blue truck says, isn't it?
Bottom, bottom. Bottom.
Okay. Oh, are you going to make something to eat?
Bottom, bottom,
Dustbuster?
window,
I-
window,
Yeah?
window,
I don't think you normally vacuum a window.
window, window,
Uh-huh.
bottom, window.
I don't think you normally vacuum a window. Guys got me saying vacuum.
I'll be babadu, babadu,
Dustbuster?
babadu,
Mm-hmm.
baba, window,
Window?
babadu,
Mm-hmm.
babadu, bayo,
That is the patio.
bayo, bayo.
Ah, your pointy little feet. Chair? Ow, your feet. Your feet are killing me. Sit down.
What?
Where is the vacuum? Are you gonna vacuum the chair? Where'd you leave it? There it is. Dustbuster? Yes. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Uh-huh. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good boys.
Bye-bye.